Okay, so this is chaga mushrooms. We do like mushrooms and we typically eat them at least once a week. But if we could get it daily, that would be great. So I bought this to add to our shakes to see if I can get it, you know, for me and the kids. So I'm curious, can you see? So it is dissolving. So it may dissolve really nice and not need, I don't think it's going to need it. Okay, cool. I got this frother, which I don't really use, but I thought it would stir it in better, but it looks like it dissolved really well. So, my husband drinks coffee, so I'm trying this today to see if he didn't want to be the guinea pig. So, I don't normally drink coffee anymore, but today I'm going to, and we're going to see, oh, I'm going to add the sugar first. We are going to see if it has a taste. I was really surprised that it dissolved and we stopped the camera, so I went ahead and took a sip of it. I think that it tastes good. It does have a little bit of an aftertaste, but I'm very pleasantly surprised. I'm debating whether or not I could stick this in Trevor's coffee and him not even know. This morning, he makes like a big pot before he goes, so he did not want to stick that in his coffee and be the guinea pig, which I don't blame him. So I said I will try a little bit, see if it passes me. Then we'll try it with him. So I'm going to continue this video. We're going to try it on Trevor. And I think this would taste really good in hot chocolate. So I had met a lady that said she does cocoa and this and honey, maybe like some other things like turmeric and stuff. I probably won't do that. But I think I will try this in hot chocolate. I think it would pair really good with that or dandelion tea. But I think it works in coffee. I won't say that for sure it will pass everybody, but once Trevor tries it, we'll see if it passes. But I think it's good. I was gonna take another drink, but I think you could also take the powder and put it over rice once you're done cooking your rice and your vegetables. It doesn't say, but my guess is you don't want to cook it. It would be better raw, as in, you know, hot coffee or hot rice or cold smoothie. It dissolved really good. So anyways, I'm very surprised and excited to continue trying it and see how it works. Okay, I'm super excited because it worked. Yesterday, this tasted fine for me in coffee. I could tell it was there just a little bit, but I think it was because I knew it was there. I'm still gonna test it on my husband, but today we made hot chocolate. I've already drank half of mine. I loved it. It says that you can do a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons per day. So I put a teaspoon in mine, but I'm gonna have more, so I'll probably add another teaspoon. In the kids, I put half of a teaspoon. So this is what we did. We put local honey and mushroom powder. And then over here, I mixed up milk, water, and cocoa powder. So the ratio that I do is I fill up, say, a cup like this, maybe 3/4 with milk and then a little water because I use whole milk. I pour it in here. For every mug, I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup. So I used 4 mugs of liquid. So I used 1 cup of cocoa powder. So basically cocoa powder and milk. I do not want to cook my local honey or my mushroom powder. Now, I don't know, maybe you can cook this and it's fine. You can cook normal mushrooms. I don't know, but I have left it raw just because I assume that it's better. So now I'm gonna mix this in. The mushroom powder dissolves really well. I was really surprised by that, but it dissolves really well. The only thing I think that it might do is it might actually settle at the bottom over time. So if you're a busy mom and you forget your coffee and then you go back to it, it may not be there. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use this little milk frother to kind of make sure that it gets it blended all in really, really good. So anyways, I am super excited about this drink. I feel like it's very, I mean, it's still got sugar in it, but I feel like considering we all drink sugar in coffee when we drink coffee, or at least a lot of us do, then probably this is a lot better. So And my cocoa powder, I don't have it, but I'm sure it's like organic, raw, you know, straight from the bean type thing. So probably good cocoa powder that has good benefits and antioxidants and mushrooms and local honey. I'm so excited. So I will keep you posted on my husband. He has still not tried it, and I'll let you know what the kids think. This morning, we did the mushroom powder in our shakes. If you're interested in what shakes we use, I will link them below just in case. Nobody noticed that there were mushroom powder in the shakes. Everybody drank them. I had my husband taste the coffee, and we both kind of had the same common consensus that you can tell it's there. It's bearable. It's not horrible, but I think for both of us, we like mushrooms. We would eat mushrooms often. So he was just kind of like, why put it in coffee? So yeah, so I think if you aren't going to get them any other way, then okay, do it in your coffee if you must, but I love this, okay? 3 out of 4 kids liked the hot chocolate. This is no longer hot. It's basically chocolate milk. I put it in the fridge last night, put a lid on it so I could just shake it up this morning. We were on the go, we had shakes, and then I'm drinking chocolate milk. That's good for me in the car. So I think I like it cold just as good as I do hot. So I was kind of surprised. Trevor did not love the hot or the cold chocolate. I gave it to him last night to try. I was like, just try it. And he said he could not taste the mushrooms. This morning in his coffee, he said he could tell it was different. Maybe if he got used to it, he wouldn't notice, but because he knew I put it in there, he could tell. So yeah, so I think my go-to will be to use this or just put it in our shakes that we normally do. We do chocolate mix with banana and peanut butter and milk a lot of times, and then water or ice or something if we want to kind of water down the milk. So anyways, so far we really like it. I'm gonna experiment and maybe even get some more mushroom powder just to get the variation. Trevor was saying, why do we want this? And so I think that's it. We don't have access to a lot of different mushrooms. We pretty much buy, you know, the same mushrooms at the store every week and use them about once a week. So if I can get a variety to add in to different things, then I will definitely put it in our chocolate drink or our chocolate smoothie. So that is our take.